Here is the best way to lose belly fat fast. Are you struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat? In this video, I am going to show you the best and most effective way to lose belly fat quickly and keep it off for good. Discover the scientifically proven techniques used by health professionals and learn how you can start burning fat and get a leaner body in no time. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to help the YouTube algorithm suggest our videos to more people who want to lose weight. Comment your weight loss goals below and let's get started with today's video. If you are looking for the best way to lose belly fat, the most important thing you can do is to focus on nutrition. And even though exercise is important, diet is to give you the most results in the end. Your nutrition is going to make up about 60 to 70% of your results when it comes to losing fat, so it should take priority when planning a fat loss plan. This means you are actually going to have to go through some preparation in order to have a blueprint of what you should be eating to lose fat, and this is going to take some work. Way too many people are looking for the easy answer, but when it comes to permanent fat loss, the only real answer is to create lifestyle changes. First of all, you are going to want to eliminate all the bad foods that are causing you to gain belly fat, and some of these foods include artificial sweetness, such as high fructose corn syrup, fruits, sugar, and unhealthy carbohydrates, such as bread and bagels. These foods should really be avoided like the plague because they are mostly going to cause you to gain belly fat over everything else. You can even eat more calories of the healthy foods and not gain as much fat as you would with eating these bad foods, even if you were consuming less calories. So, it's going to be important to purge your kitchen of unhealthy foods immediately so you are not tempted to eat any of them and you are only surrounded by the healthy stuff. The healthy foods you are going to be consuming include lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, salmon, fish, and eggs. It will be important to have at least 30 grams of protein per meal to ensure that you are gaining enough lean muscle to burn fat and keep yourself full. Also plan to replace those unhealthy carbohydrates with healthy choices, such as green vegetables and well-cooked beans. Another tip I can give you on nutrition is instead of eating 3 big meals a day, change that to 5 to 6 smaller feedings throughout the day, planned every 3 to 4 hours apart. This will ensure you keep your blood sugar level stable so there are no negative hormonal releases causing your body to gain fat rather than to burn it off. It will also be easier if you are consuming less calories because you will be fuller after eating more frequently, and this is what's going to change your metabolism to increase, thus burning more belly fat. Also, the only thing you should be drinking is cold water or steeped green tea, and I would immediately stay away from fruit juices and smoothies because they also contain a lot of sugar, which will cause you to gain fat. As you can see, the best way to lose belly fat is obviously going to be nutrition, but it's also going to be the hardest, so make sure you plan ahead and are well prepared. Don't forget to check out burnsap.com to burn away all your stubborn belly fats and supercharge your body's metabolism to help you lose weight and enjoy your ideal body size. If you got any value from the video, please like and subscribe to this channel. The videos on your screen right now are of great value and they will help you in your weight loss journey. So click on them. See you in our next video.